Traveling can take a toll on your skin, whether it's due to changes in climate, long flights, or limited access to your usual skincare routine. That's why having the perfect travel skincare kit is essential to maintain healthy, glowing skin on the go. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best travel skincare kits that cater to various skin types and needs. From trusted brands to luxurious formulations, these kits are compact, effective, and tailored for travel. Let's explore your next skincare travel companion. Kicking off our list at number 1, Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Kit. The Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Kit is a premium travel companion that combines innovation with skincare expertise. This compact kit includes essentials like the iconic Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel, a cleansing gel, and a moisturizer. It's designed for travelers looking for high-performance skincare with a focus on brightening and anti-aging benefits. Key features: this kit features the dermatologist-developed Alpha Beta Peel, which exfoliates and smooths your skin with a 2-step process. The cleanser effectively removes impurities, while the moisturizer provides deep hydration with anti-aging properties. Each product comes in travel-friendly sizes, making it convenient for carry-ons. Benefits and usage: the kit is perfect for dull, uneven skin tone or anyone needing a quick refresh during travel. Use the peel pads in the morning for exfoliation, followed by the cleansing gel to wash away dirt and oil. Finish with the moisturizer to lock in hydration and restore your skin barrier. Usability: this kit is user-friendly, with step-by-step instructions that make it easy to use even for skincare novices. It's great for both short trips and long vacations. Durability: the individual packaging of the peel pads and sturdy travel bottles ensure the products stay fresh and effective. The kit's high-quality formulation means a little product goes a long way, giving you value throughout your journey. In the second spot, we have Clinique 3-Step Travel Kit. The Clinique 3-Step Travel Kit is a tried-and-true skincare solution designed for travelers. This kit includes a cleanser, toner, and moisturizer, tailored to your specific skin type. Clinique's reputation for gentle yet effective products makes this kit a favorite among frequent flyers. Key features: this kit is available in different variants to suit oily, dry, or combination skin. The cleanser gently removes dirt and makeup, the toner refines pores and balances the skin, and the moisturizer provides long-lasting hydration. All products are fragrance-free and allergy-tested. Benefits and usage: perfect for maintaining your daily skincare routine while traveling, this kit helps cleanse, tone, and hydrate the skin. It's especially beneficial for those who experience skin changes due to weather or stress. Simply follow the steps morning and night for consistent results. Usability: compact and lightweight, the kit fits effortlessly into any travel bag. The no-fuss approach and clear labeling make it easy to integrate into your routine, no matter how hectic your schedule. Durability: Clinique's products are known for their reliability, and this kit is no exception. The bottles are sturdy and designed to prevent leaks, ensuring your products stay intact during your travels. Coming in at number 3 is the Fresh Skincare Kit. The Fresh Skincare Kit offers a luxurious approach to travel skincare, featuring a curated selection of hydrating and soothing products. This kit typically includes the soy face cleanser, rose face mask, and a deeply hydrating moisturizer, all aimed at revitalizing tired, stressed skin. Key features: the soy face cleanser gently cleanses while preserving the skin's natural moisture. The rose face mask, infused with real rose petals, hydrates and calms, while the moisturizer deeply nourishes and restores the skin's elasticity. The travel-sized packaging is sleek and functional. Benefits and usage: ideal for those looking to pamper their skin while on the move, this kit rejuvenates and refreshes. Start with the soy face cleanser to remove impurities, apply the rose mask for a hydration boost, and finish with the moisturizer for long-lasting nourishment. Usability: with its straightforward application process, this kit is easy to use and enhances any skincare routine. It's a great choice for weekend getaways or longer trips. Durability: the products are housed in durable, spill-proof containers, ensuring no mess in your luggage. The luxurious formulations last longer than expected, providing excellent value for the price. Taking our fourth spot is Tatcha Rituals Travel Set. The Tatcha Rituals Travel Set brings Japanese-inspired skincare to your travels, combining tradition with science. This kit includes essentials like the Camellia Cleansing Oil, Rice Polish, and the Dewy Skin Cream, all crafted to nurture and protect your skin. Key features: the Camellia Cleansing Oil removes makeup and impurities without stripping the skin, while the Rice Polish gently exfoliates for a radiant complexion. The Dewy Skin Cream provides intense hydration with a luminous finish. Each product is travel-sized and TSA approved. Benefits and usage: perfect for travelers who prioritize skincare luxury. This set hydrates, brightens, and protects. Begin with the cleansing oil, follow with the rice polish to exfoliate, and finish with the cream for a radiant glow. It's especially beneficial for dry or dull skin. Usability: the products are simple to use and come with detailed instructions, making them suitable for both beginners and skincare enthusiasts. The set's compact size ensures it fits seamlessly into any travel routine. Durability: Tatcha's travel set is designed for longevity, with high-quality packaging that prevents leaks and keeps the formulations fresh. Its premium ingredients ensure you get the most out of every use. And finally, at number 5, we have First Aid Beauty Travel Kit. The First Aid Beauty Travel Kit is a lifesaver for those with sensitive or reactive skin. This kit includes the face cleanser, ultra repair cream, and radiance pads, offering a complete solution for cleansing, hydration, and exfoliation. Key features: the face cleanser gently removes dirt and makeup without irritation. The ultra repair cream delivers intense hydration, perfect for dry or sensitive skin. The radiance pads provide gentle exfoliation to improve texture and tone. All products are free from parabens, sulfates, and artificial fragrances. Benefits and usage: ideal for anyone seeking a gentle yet effective skincare routine while traveling. This kit soothes, hydrates, and revitalizes. Use the cleanser to wash away impurities, apply the radiance pads for exfoliation, and follow with the cream for hydration. Usability: compact and practical, the kit is easy to use and ensures your skin stays nourished and healthy on the go. Its versatile products are suitable for all skin types, making it a reliable choice for various travel scenarios. Durability: First Aid Beauty's travel kit features robust packaging that protects against leaks. The products are designed to last, providing consistent results throughout your journey. There you have it, our top 5 best travel skincare kits to keep your skin radiant and healthy wherever you go. Each kit offers unique features to cater to different skin types and needs, ensuring you're prepared for any adventure. Investing in the right travel skincare kit not only saves space, but also helps maintain your skin's health during stressful trips. Let us know in the comments which one you'd like to try, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful reviews. Safe travels, and stay glowing.